Presenting the Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Overland. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include light frost brown leather trim seats with edge welting, bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, ECO suspension STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, Protect 2 included, advanced brake assist parallel and park assist with stop adaptive cruise control with stop full speed FWD collision warn plus lane departure warning plus, brown light frost interior color, quick order package 2BP included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission 8-speed automatic, 850RE, and rear-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading.